Oh, tignan nyo. Last month, the DTI released its price guide for Noche Buena, which indicated that some items had price rollbacks. These products include 500-gram American-style ham from local brand costing 170, lower compared to its previous market price of 170 for 4 pesos. Isipin nyo mga kapatid natin, news na yung 4 pesos. And a 500-gram sweet-style spaghetti sauce now costing lower at 48.50 compared to its previous market price of 52. Kumuha lang sila na tsansa na ilabas na bumaba daw yung presyo ng mga ito. DTI's price guide also said items like 200 grams of elbow macaroni can cost as low as 24 pesos while 250 grams of pasta can be as low as 30. Tapos ito yung kakainin mo. 'Di ba?